Twinkl Learner Manager is our safe and secure area for managing learner details, controlling individual and group access, adjusting settings and viewing reports. And with our refreshed design, you'll have learners set up in no time. So, let's take a tour and walk through how to set up logins for your learners. First, click on your username in the top right-hand corner. Next, select Manage Learners. This will bring you into the learner management system. To add learners one at a time, select Add Learner. A unique username and password will be generated for you. You can regenerate these as many times as you wish. Optionally, you can also add extra information such as the child's name, class, year and group. Once complete, you can add another learner by clicking the button here and following the same process again. If you don't want to proceed, you can press cancel at any time, or if you create a learner in error, you can also easily delete that individual profile by selecting the red minus symbol here on the left. You will get a notification pop up to say the learner has been removed. Once you're ready, click Add Learners and continue to move to the next step. Now it's time to choose which of our fantastic digital apps you want to give your learner access to. If you are not familiar with the different apps, you can select No More to find a helpful app overview. To give your learner access to all apps, select Grant Access to All Apps at the top right. Alternatively, you can toggle on the apps you want individually. Once complete, select Save Access Changes. Some of our web apps require individual settings before they are ready for learners to use. These settings allow you to specify which parts of the apps your learners can interact with. You can tailor settings to your learners' needs or academic ability. To edit the settings, click Learner Apps from the sidebar. Find the app you wish to set up and click Settings. Then click the settings icon and apply the appropriate settings and click Save. Your learner is now set up and ready to go. Do you want to upload a whole group or class at once? No problem. To save time, you can add multiple learners using a CSV file. Select the Import Learners button and download the learner login template. Then add your learners to the template, save it and upload. Check through your learner logins, then click Add Learners and continue. Now choose which apps you want to give your learners access to. You can click on the app to bring up the overview to learn more about it. To give all learners access to all apps, you can either click Select All at the top left of the grid or Grant Access to All Apps at the top right. If you wish to give all your learners a selection of apps, you can click the Select All checkbox, which is the first checkbox in each column. Alternatively, if you want to give children access individually, just select the corresponding tick box in the grid for app and child. Then save and continue. As before, some of our web apps require individual settings, allowing you to tailor settings to your learners' needs. To edit the settings, click Learner Apps from the sidebar. Find the app you wish to set up and click Settings. Then you can choose to amend the settings in bulk or individually. It's usually easiest to apply your standard settings to the whole class and then go back in and adapt for those children that need adaptations. To view or modify any of your learner profiles, select Learners from the menu. To edit, click on the pencil icon, which will bring you back into the learner profile. From here, you can also review the apps that the child has access to by clicking on the Access tab. To delete users, you can select Delete Learner within the learner profile. Alternatively, you can delete individual or multiple learners from the learner profiles overview by checking the tick box next to their names and pressing Delete at the bottom. Groups are used for lessons. To learn more about lessons, visit twinkl.co.uk/lessons or check out the Learner Login Visual Instruction Guide. Groups can be created and amended from the Groups tab. A child can sit in multiple groups at once. If you added a group during the learner profile setup, they will appear here. If not, just select Add some groups to get started and type in the group name. To add additional groups, select Add Group. Once the group is set up, you can click View and add learners. Begin typing or select learners from the drop-down. Once you are finished, click Add Learners. To download your learner login data as a CSV file, select All, then choose Export Learners. Alternatively, you can download login labels to save a PDF file ready for printing out.